Welcome back to HobTech Cars. Today I'm working on my Mercedes SLK and I'm going to polish the headlights on it because they are a bit clouded. So this is the car. It's a beautiful car, as you can see, in really good condition for 21 years old, but those headlights are foggy and clouded. You can just see here in this video how clouded the lenses are. The light barely breaks through. Here I'd even imagine a blinding drivers because the light is so concentrated. The whole thing is really wrong. As I mentioned previously, this is the kit I'm going to use. It's the Autoglym headlight restoration kit. It comes with all the sandpaper that you need, microfiber cloth, the compound and the pad as well for polishing. So all you need actually is a drill and this all attaches to it. Okay, so the first step that you want to do is to use some tape and put it on the bodywork around your headlight. We're going to be using some sandpaper today and we don't want to damage the paintwork on the car. So you want to mask anywhere that might get in contact with the polishing pads or the sanding pads. Here's the other headlight just for reference as well. So at this point, you just want to use a cloth to remove any mud from the headlight. So I have my drill with the attachment popped in, and as per the instructions, we're going to go with 800 grit dry sand to start off. Now we're going to go ahead and use the 1500. Okay, so that's the 1500 grit complete. So now I'm just going to use, you can use fairy washing up liquid or any sort of lubricant mixed with water, but I have this clay bar lubricant which will work perfect. So I'm going to apply that to the lens here behind me and then to my polishing pad and move my grit on my sandpaper up to 2000 grit. Okay, so now I've swapped to my 3000 grit polishing pad and I've just wet the headlight lens again. So you can see it's really starting to make a difference already, this process. Okay, so finally I've attached the polishing pad to the head of my drill and I'm going to apply some of the polishing compound that came with the kit onto the head of the drill. And then essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab that evenly across the surface of the headlamp. So I have it like this. I'm just going to dab it across the headlamp like so, making sure all the surface is covered pretty evenly. And then I'm just going to put the lid back onto my polishing compound and start polishing. Now, isn't that finish absolutely breathtaking? This is such a good product. By the way, I'm not getting paid by Autoglym or anything, but I mean, look, that's the level of detail in these headlights is beautiful. It's all come true. As well as that, now I'll actually be able to see out of the bulbs or out of the lenses at night time. But just for reference, I haven't done the other side yet. Just look how flat and dull and yellow that looks in comparison to my beautiful headlight over here. Absolutely stunning. So this is my third time using this product on a car and it's just for whatever it retails here, €35. I think it's cheaper on Amazon. I got it in Halfords, but it's incredible. So now I'm going to remove that masking tape and do the other side. I'll share the results. Okay, job done. Both headlights done and they look incredible. Really, really good. I'll turn on the lights now on the car just to give you an idea of before and after, but yeah, that looks really, really good. Yeah, that looks really, really good. If you remember, it was just clouding here and blinding other drivers. now has a really distinct beam pattern on both sides. Right, that's the video for today. Thanks a million for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please do subscribe, like, and or comment. Cheers, take care.